This village is addicted not to alcohol and drugs, but to chess. More than 90% of the village plays chess, and it all started from this guy.
Hi, nice daily. People call me Unni Maman.
50 years ago, he saw a big problem in his village. People were bored, so they started drinking and smoking. This was bad for their health, and it caused a lot of crime. So, Unni Maman found a new way to pass the time. He played chess. Then he taught others how to play, until the entire village fell in love with it. We love chess! Welcome to Maroti Chap, India. People of all ages play chess all the time, in the morning and at night.
മദ്യത്തിനും മയക്കുമരുന്നിനും അടിമപ്പെടാതിരിക്കാൻ മനുഷ്യനെ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഏറ്റവും നല്ല ഒരു ഗെയിമാണ് ചെസ്.
Thanks to Unni Maman, this village is saying checkmate to addiction.
That one means say it tomorrow.